channel, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about the ultimatemedium.com course, part 9 of 30, how to check important parts of your medium.com stats. So my friends, the stats page on Medium is very important. The first thing is you see your views, you see your reads, and you see your fans, which are the claps. So obviously the reads will give you a small indication on how many reads you are getting, and which is equivalent to making money actually from members. I already discussed the curation part in my previous parts in the course, so I won't delve into that. So guys, let's go to details of one of my Medium stories. If This is my latest Medium story, and it has got one internal view and 45 external views, 33 views from Reddit, which was expected because most of my traffic is coming from Reddit. Emails 9 views. Ecosia, I don't know, but this is one of the websites that led to a view, and DuckDuckGo, a search engine. So all of these stats are present over here. You need to keep an eye on it and adjust your strategy accordingly. Because for example, I posted my links on my personal Facebook group, the Medium Millionaires Facebook group, and it hasn't got any views from there. So this means I need to post on more Facebook groups, or maybe I should post on Twitter as well, because views from Twitter have not come, and also on LinkedIn and Pinterest as well. So my friends, I need to do a lot of work. This is what this traffic source in the stats, detailed stats, are telling me. And you must be asking, why are you giving so much importance to external traffic sources? Well, I will discuss more in detail, but one thing in the future. But one thing you must understand, my friends, is that Medium looks at view count from external traffic sources, and they feed their algorithm with internal views if you have good numbers in the external traffic. So you cannot underestimate this factor, my friends. Now this was we discussed this important part, my friends. Now we look at the audience stats, my friends. You see, I have got 7 members. Tomorrow it will be 8. It has not been updated, and 51 email subscribers. So I cannot go in the view details because of confidentiality issues, my friends. And then my friends, these are the main statistics that you need to look out for, and you need to check these out to give you an idea how you can improve your stats. Stay tuned, as part 10 is coming right up, my friends. Take care.